Let's say you want to be a researcher in medicine and you want to apply your computer skills. You want to be doing computer programming. Maybe you want to make models that simulate cancer cell growth or how cancer cells respond to different treatments. Or maybe you want to do data analysis on DNA or the genome or something. Don't major in computer science. You will be utterly unprepared for that, and you won't have any connections in that field. Major in biology or chemistry and teach yourself the programming you need as you go. Or even get a master's degree in computational biology to just directly be prepared for that field. Let's say you want to get involved in climate change and you want to do research on how, or perhaps you want to build computer models of climate simulations, and you want to forecast, future climate scenarios. Don't major in computer science. You're not going to be prepared for that, and you're not going to have the connections you need to get involved in that. Major in environmental science, ecology, geology, etc. Teach yourself programming as you go. Let's say you want to be a historian, or you want to work with historians. You want to do some kind of textual analysis using, computer programs to analyze historical documents. Or maybe you want to create a digital archive. Will you even know where to begin if you major in computer science? Will you have the connections with the historians that can help you with that if you major in computer science? Wouldn't you be better off majoring in history, making those connections, learning about what's actually important in history that you actually want to research, and then just learn the programming skills on your own as you go? Or perhaps get a master's degree in digital humanities, and then I've been seeing these digital humanities programs pop up. They seem to prepare you for exactly that type of thing. Let's say you want to work on economics or finance, building computer models of the economy or of different Wall Street trading strategies, etc. Again, you're not going to learn any of that if you study computer science, study economics, finance, get a master's in computational finance, or teach yourself programming as you go. Let's say you want to work on cartography or GPS systems. You're interested in geography, and you want to apply computers to that field. Well, they have programs for that. GIS, Geographic Information Systems. A lot of schools have that program now. Let's say you're interested in computer-aided design and you want to write programs and get really good with those computer-aided design tools, and you want to create 3D models of physical objects. Perhaps you're interested in making buildings. Major in architecture. Or perhaps you're interested in making bridges and roads. Major in civil engineering, perhaps, where you'll actually learn how to do that stuff, where you'll actually make the connections, where you'll actually get the certifications that you need, the licensure that you need to be a civil engineer or an architect. Don't major in computer science. What path does majoring in computer science actually lead to? Or I should say, where does that path actually go if you major in computer science? Who will you become if you go down that path? Where does that lead?